Welcome to another dirty tool review. Tools that are dirty because they actually get used. This is my Milwaukee 36 volt. This is 2 batteries, wet dry vac, and I think I got the 6-gallon bucket underneath here. Perfect size for me. I know they have like a 9 and a 12, bin or whatever you want to call it, bucket underneath it. But this one fits in the back of the truck. Easy. It goes into customer houses, all that kind of stuff. I had the 18 volt version of this, and this is technically the M18 like 36 volt. So part number is 0921-20. I bought this as a bare tool. I sold the top version, the 18 volt version. This has the 2 batteries. I have got 2 5 hour batteries in there right now, as you can see. This tool, it's one of those things where you absolutely have to have a wet dry vac in construction. You got to clean up after yourself. You'd be surprised how many times customers don't care about the work that you do, except that you actually clean. You clean up after yourself, and you have respect for their property where you want to clean up and keep it nice and neat. This is one of those tools where Milwaukee usually misses the mark on a few things when they release tools. Like, I know now this tool's been out for years. I've had it for years, and it's not too new to the market, but it's not too old either. But they don't have a pack out, like this one does not have a pack out top, which I think they kind of missed the mark on that. Although I wouldn't be putting anything on top of this, because I like the fact that I need to carry this upstairs. The handle, I use the handle all the time, and I wouldn't be, I know they have the straps up here so you can put like the additional attachments and everything like that. I do have more attachments. I know what I'm going to be cleaning out ahead of time, and I'll just keep it in a pack out, or I'll just keep it in the trailer truck, whatever it is, and bring it in as such. This is very powerful. It's, what has it got, like 4.25 max horsepower for this thing. Which I have no way of actually testing it. I'm just going to take whoever's word for it as is. I don't care. This thing is more powerful than the 18 volt version of this, so that's why I had both of them. I tested both of them side by side. Both work phenomenally. I'll link in the description below where I think I did a short on it with both tools side by side. And I picked this one because it's just more powerful, has more suction. 109 cubic foot a minute, and then I think it sucks like 77 inches. And I'm sure that's like a certain diameter, and it does eat the water when you actually need to. And again, it sucks and blows. You can move the hose around. The couple things that I dislike about this tool, besides the fact that there's no pack out, top on it. Other than that, that's kind of basically it. It is not very efficient as far as being a battery powered tool. You got 2 batteries, and you get about 2 to 3 minutes per amp hour. So, and that's on high. I almost always have it on high. And yeah, would you like it to have more, would you like it to have more runtime? Maybe. But at the same time, we put 2 12 amp hour batteries in here. If I'm vacuuming more than 35 minutes at a time, like, I'm not a professional cleaner, but like you can get through some material for sure. It's good enough for me. There's no AC adapter for this. Actually, there is. Like, you can buy an AC adapter for this, but it doesn't come with it in the box when I bought this tool. Other than that, the tool's a home run. Like, I'm just a simple contractor, and like you just need things to work when they work. And again, it just worked. The fact that it comes with this little 4-wheeled little cart, it absolutely. I've stepped on this a couple of times. It holds my weight. I'm a fat ass. It is what it is. It's easy to let go, and you can empty it out. It's no big deal whatsoever. You got so you got low speed and high speed. What else do you guys want from a shop vac? Yeah, it's a little expensive for what it is, but it's Milwaukee M18. I already have the batteries. I've got so many of these batteries, so I really don't have a runtime issue. Like, if I need to, I'll swap out the batteries real quick. That's it. We can keep working. The coupler right here is very strong for what it is. If I can get it out here, you can see it has the little nipples right there, and this twist lock. I use the hose to yank it, as much as I need to. No problems whatsoever. This is the original hose. I don't have any cracks as far as I know on it, but I try to keep it. I try not to step on it. I try not to abuse the tool as much as possible. But other than that, guys, it's a tool that gets used. It's not new by any means, and I like it. They do make a bunch of attachments. I don't have all the attachments for it. I would like to see a little thing, like, see, you have right here, you have the little clasp right here. It'd be nice to have one on either side, just to kind of keep the hose, once it's in storage, just kind of from flopping around like this. Now I can wrap it underneath it, and it lower it down. That's another way of doing it. Pretty down and dirty, quick and easy, dirty tool review, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, but this is absolutely an asset to my tool collection.